Well, good evening, folks. Yep, just me, nobody special. I know I haven't been making a lot of videos lately. Not really too much to do to show. I haven't been doing a lot to my truck. Been thinking, humming and hawing about another project. But since my Ford is off the road right now, because the insurance ran out, I've been doing little things to it. For one, you may know that I said something about the rear tank in that truck not working properly, thinking it was the switch. But I replaced the switch, didn't do any good. I didn't replace it with a new one, replaced it with a second-hand one that I had a very good idea that it was good. So I thought, what the hell, I gotta take the tank out to repair it anyhow. So I took the rear tank out, pulled the sending unit out, and I will show you what was wrong with the sending unit. 1 second. Okay, this is the sending unit that came out of the truck, except for the float and the arm. The float that was originally on this had a pinhole about center. There's a tiny little hole. So I guess it filled up with fuel and never functioned properly. Because this is, when it's full, like when I hook it up and that floats in that position, the tank reads full. And of course, when it's there, it reads empty. So not only did I replace the float, but since you can't take the float off because of this piece here that's flattened, I don't know if my camera will focus on it, but it's flattened and you can't get that washer off, otherwise you could just slide that off. So I had to undo the whole arm, and the whole arm is pretty basic because it just clips in there and then just comes out right there. So you just undo that and then line it up with that slot and it slides right out. So I replaced the whole arm. So now all you gotta do now is just put it back in. But I've had to do some repairs to the gas tank that oops, sorry folks, that it came out of, because there's when I guess I had to rear the truck up on jacks, and I took the jacks out, jacked the truck up, took the jacks out, but I pushed them towards the front of the rear gas tank, and I forgot to take them out of the way when I drove forward, so it dragged them and indented, made two identical indents on either side of the tank. Like I said, I may have said this in the older video, but I can't remember. So I couldn't get the dents out. A new tank was going to be about $100. Maybe I'll get a new one down the road. So all I tried to do was bang the dent out if I could, which I got some of it out. Excuse me, folks. And all I did was sand it. I primed it, and then tomorrow I'll go get a can of paint, and I'll paint it, and you won't really notice it. A lot better than having all that scraped up metal underneath there, and you can notice it. So yeah, so then tomorrow I'll just take the sending unit, replace it into the tank, put the tank back up into it, and I should have a fully functioning rear tank, which would be kind of cool. And that'll be one of the little things I got to check off in the list that's done. But other than that, oh, excuse me, I haven't been doing too much. Just working, paying bills, taking care of the family, and that's about it. So tomorrow what I will do is I will make a video about the little repairs I did on the tank. So I don't know if I'm going to post this right now or post them both together, but either way, everybody have a good evening. I hope your family is good, work's going as good as it can, and yeah, like I said, everything is going as good as it can. Okay, well everybody take care. Have a good weekend. It's Saturday here. I think it's about the 15th, something like that. Can't remember. But anyhow, like I said, everybody take care. Peace out, and build on. Talk to you later, folks. Bye.